Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna make the pattern for the skirt. Our first video we made the bodic. You can find the link in the description. To make this skirt we gonna use this measures, the measurement of the waist circumference, which is 59, and the knee length from the waist. Okay, the skirt will be a full circle, so I'm gonna make the waistline is a circle. I'm taking the waist circumference. Okay, this effect here of the fabric is just ruffles. I'm gonna show you guys how easy this ruffles is. Okay, let's draw the main skirt. I'm going to draw the waist circumference. Okay, I'll take this measurement and divide it by, okay, the measurement is 59 divided by 3.14 and continue divided by 2 will give me 9.39. Okay, sorry guys, first I'm gonna make a rectangle. Okay, think of this rectangle as a blank paper. uh, I'll put dimensions as 1 meter for both the width and the length. It doesn't matter actually, I just use it as a blank paper. Okay, so I I'm gonna now to draw the waistline. Okay, I told you guys I divided the waist by 3.14, then I divide by 2. I'll take the measurement at the end. Okay, I'll put a mark on this line on 9.39. Okay, also I'll put a mark here on 9.39. Okay, this is the quarter of the waist. I will connect these two marks with a curved line. Okay, like this, just like this. Okay, let's see what will do. This line, think of this line, okay, as the center front. Okay, this line, think of it as the side line. Okay, now I need, okay, uh, why the front is shorter than the back. Okay, if if the front is similar to the back, I draw at the same area. Okay, but because the back is more taller, so I will make the back individual. Okay, I'll put a line, straight line here, square down. Okay, it length doesn't matter actually, also I will fix it later. Okay, I will put um, the length at 70. Okay, sorry, minus. Okay, then I will add a point here. Sorry, I'll put a mark point on also 9.39. Okay, then I will mirror this curve here with this line. Okay, now you can see this will be the front and this will be the back, center back, and this side. After I finish drawing, I will mirror this side. This will be the left side into this side will be the right one. Okay, now I'm gonna make the length for the skirt from the front. Okay, I told you guys I will make it to the knee, so I'll put a point on 32.5. Okay, 32.5 plus 9.38. Okay, plus 32.5 will give me 41. Okay, I will put it on 42. Okay, so I will put a mark here on 40, 42. Okay, okay. The back, I will add I will add 15 centimeter. So it will be plus 14. Okay, will 55.8. Okay, it will be 56. I add a mark on 56. 56. Okay, okay, and this mark will be the length of the skirt from the back, and in this mark will be the length for the skirt from the front. Now I need to adjust the the length of the side. Okay, uh, I told you I bought 15 centimeter for the back. Now I'll take 7.5. Okay, so this 48 will be my side, my length for the skirt from the side. Okay, I will add here. Okay, 48. Okay, okay, I'll connect these lines here over here with a skirt with a curved line like this. Also this mark here from here. They just like this. Just like this. This is my skirt. This actually the half of it. I will mirror everything. I'll mirror this line and this line, this and this, everything to this line. Okay, okay. Here is my skirt. Okay, this circle in the middle is just the waist circumference, or the waist circle, or the waistline. Okay, now I will draw the ruffles. Okay, the ruffles. Uh, First, I need the measurement for the ruffles. I'll put, as you see, one, two, three, four, five, six ruffles. Okay, on this skirt. So I'll take line, this line from here to here, and divide it by 6. Okay, and I will draw circle lines. Okay, to take its measurement to draw the ruffles. Okay, guys.